Hey guys, what's up YouTube? It's your girl Amaria in case you don't know. Let's like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color, guys. How are you doing today? So, we're going to get with this video. Have you checked your settings lately? I was scrolling through my settings, guys, and you won't believe what I found. So, don't forget to stay tuned with this video so that you can figure out how to turn it off and how to see what I'm talking about. Without further ado, let's get with this video. So you may be wondering, is this what you think it is? Yes. With this setting, you will find the dates, times, locations, and addresses of every place that you have been with your device. So whether it's your significant other or your kids, that's definitely a way for you to be able to track them and see exactly what they're doing. But what I want to keep in mind, when you try to clear it out, it says that Apple can't read encrypted data. What about the feds? But we're not going to talk about that. Like I said, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment your favorite color down below. Comment what you guys think about it. Did you turn it off or not?